Owire Group is an international group company which includes network cable, fiber optic cables, art and demarketing services, and so on. Shenzhen Owire Cable Production Center, Huizhou Owire Optic Production Center, Guangdong Vasco Cable Production Center, Jieyang Owire Cable Production Center, Shenzhen Foreign Trade Sales Center, Shenzhen Owire Cable Production Center, 20 patents, research and development products, R&D center with refined management, gather high-tech talents in the industry, continuously improve product innovation capabilities. Huizhou Owire Optic Production Center, Advanced Technology Fiber Optic Cable Production Center, factory scale with an area of over 20,000 square meters. Focus on the manufacture of fiber optic cable products. The world's leading intelligent production technology of fiber optic cable. Guangdong Vasco Cable Production Center. Focus on the production of network cables and network accessories. Focus on R&D and production of network cables and network accessories, achieving high standard management. Jieyang Owire Cable Production Center. Focus on fiber optical cable and coaxial cable product manufacturing. Efficient manufacturing mode, possess technical advantages and manufacturing advantages. Provide customers with technical solutions with a better product portfolio. Shenzhen Foreign Trade Sales Center, one-stop foreign trade sales center. Focus on foreign trade for nearly 20 years. A team with more than 15 years of domestic sales. Owire owns certificate of ISO 9001. Its products have gone through multiple process tests. ROSE, CPR, China Tire, and other certificates. These products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions, with more than 5,000 customers. Owire participated in exhibitions all over the world.